Welcome to my channel. Kids Zone by Farin. Please follow my direction. Easy English conversation for kids. Two friends discussing how Patho would provide food, shelter, and education for children.
Hi, Mia.
Hi, Ava.
Hi, Mia.
Hi, Ava.
How are you today?
I am good. You?
How are you today?
I am good. You?
I am fine too.
Great.
I am fine too.
Great.
Today, let's talk about Patho.
Yes, good idea.
Today, let's talk about Patho.
Yes, good idea.
Patho wants to help children.
That is wonderful.
Patho wants to help children.
That is wonderful.
First, Patho will give food.
How will Patho give food?
First, Patho will give food.
How will Patho give food?
First, Patho will give food.
How will Patho give food?
First, Patho will give food.
How will Patho give food?
Patho will make a kitchen.
A big kitchen?
Patho will make a kitchen.
A big kitchen?
Yes, a big one.
What food will they cook?
Yes, a big one.
What food will they cook?
Healthy food.
Like rice?
Healthy food.
Like rice?
Yes, rice and vegetables.
Good.
Yes, rice and vegetables.
Good.
Also fruits.
Children love fruits.
Also fruits.
Children love fruits.
Yes, they do.
Who will cook the food?
Yes, they do.
Who will cook the food?
Good cooks.
That is smart.
Good cooks.
That is smart.
Every child will get food.
Every day?
Every child will get food.
Every day?
Yes, every day.
Morning and night?
Yes, every day.
Morning and night?
Yes, 2 meals.
Perfect.
Yes, 2 meals.
Perfect.
No child will be hungry.
That is so kind.
No child will be hungry.
That is so kind.
Next is shelter.
How will Patho give shelter?
Next is shelter.
How will Patho give shelter?
They will build houses.
Big houses?
They will build houses.
Big houses?
Yes, strong houses.
With beds?
Yes, strong houses.
With beds?
Yes, soft beds.
And blankets?
Yes, soft beds.
And blankets?
Of course.
Will there be lights?
Of course.
Will there be lights?
Yes, bright lights.
Good.
Yes, bright lights.
Good.
The children will be safe.
I like that.
The children will be safe.
I like that.
And warm too.
Safety is important.
And warm too.
Safety is important.
Very important.
Will there be bathrooms?
Very important.
Will there be bathrooms?
Yes, clean bathrooms.
Wonderful.
Yes, clean bathrooms.
Wonderful.
Now, about education.
Yes, tell me.
Now, about education.
Yes, tell me.
Patho will open a school.
A big school?
Patho will open a school.
A big school?
Yes, with many classrooms.
What will they learn?
Yes, with many classrooms.
What will they learn?
Reading, writing, math.
Science too?
Reading, writing, math.
Science too?
Yes, and history.
Great.
Yes, and history.
Great.
Good teachers will teach.
Friendly teachers?
Good teachers will teach.
Friendly teachers?
Yes, friendly and kind.
I am happy.
Yes, friendly and kind.
I am happy.
Me too.
Will they get books?
Me too.
Will they get books?
Yes, many books.
And pencils?
Yes, many books.
And pencils?
Yes, and notebooks.
Perfect.
Yes, and notebooks.
Perfect.
Children will study well.
They will be smart.
Children will study well.
They will be smart.
Very smart.
Will there be games too?
Very smart.
Will there be games too?
Yes, games and sports.
Fun is important too.
Yes, games and sports.
Fun is important too.
Yes, fun and learning.
Patho is doing a great job.
Yes, fun and learning.
Patho is doing a great job.
I agree.
I want to help too.
I agree.
I want to help too.
Me too.
We can volunteer.
Me too.
We can volunteer.
Yes, let's do it.
Children will be so happy.
Yes, let's do it.
Children will be so happy.
They will smile.
A big smile.
They will smile.
A big smile.
Yes, big smiles.
Let's tell others too.
Yes, big smiles.
Let's tell others too.
Good idea.
More people can help.
Good idea.
More people can help.
Yes, together we can do more.
For food, shelter, and education.
Yes, together we can do more.
For food, shelter, and education.
Yes, for a better future.
I feel proud.
Yes, for a better future.
I feel proud.
I feel proud too.
Thank you for talking today.
I feel proud too.
Thank you for talking today.
Thank you too.
Thank you for talking today.
Thank you too.
Thank you for talking today.
Bye. Bye.
Thank you for watching.